Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can log out of Quora, so let's get right into it. First of all, Quora is a website slash social media site where you can either ask questions or post answers to the questions of others. You can also make posts. They don't need to actually be questions for you to post them. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of it. And as you can see, to actually post and ask or answer questions, you need to have an account. And as you can see, I am logged into my account. I am currently on the homepage of the website on the browser version. It's pretty much the same for the mobile version as well. But let me get right into it and cut to the chase. As you can see, this is what the homepage looks like. And if I wanted to log out of the site, as you can see, there is this account icon in the top right, which you might want to click, or rather which you need to click if you want to log out. That will then take you to this drop down menu, and at the bottom you see the log out option, and by clicking on that your account will be logged off. However, if we go to settings, there is another way to log out. As you can see here under account settings, you have the logout option, and by clicking log out of all other browsers, you can log out of any browser where you are logged into Quora. And another way, this is not really logging off, but it will log you off as well. You can either deactivate or delete your account by going into privacy settings and scrolling way down. And here you can see the deactivate and delete options. If you click them and follow the instructions, you will either deactivate or delete your account, and that will automatically log you off. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.